everybody. Welcome to the first video of the course. In this video, we'll make an introduction. There will be a lot of some video, for example, about 30 videos for introduction of HTML. Okay, so and the next will be about 20 video for the HTML itself. Okay, so now let's start with our lesson. Okay, so first I'll tell you what to do. I will answer you some questions. For example, what do you know? What is HTML? HTML is a language that you can design a website with it. Okay. If you, for example, open Wikipedia, let's for example open Google, and for example search for Apple. Okay. For example, let's open Wikipedia about Apple. Okay. So here you find a lot of links. For example, here, this link, for example, this is a link, yeah? You see, it's a link. This, for the coder, it's named by hypertext. Text that it's hybrid, linked to something. For example, link to a picture, link to any file or anything. Maybe link to a video. For example, maybe they store the video on their servers, and okay, still don't know servers. What is servers? Servers are large computers that receive a lot of requests a day, so it can answer that request that comes from the user when they open Google. For example, if I now open Google, now there is a request sent to Google that I want to open this web page. For example, if I open Twitter, let's say Twitter. Okay, now a request is sent to Twitter that I want to open. Okay, so okay, and what is HTML? HTML, I will talk more about HTML now. HTML, as we said, that it is a web designing language. Okay, HTML, the website is more than one HTML file. Okay, and these files are that has elements that, for example, to view a text, to view pictures, to view videos. Okay, and sometimes these are linked to resources. And for example, if you open a website, for example, and you have a chat button, they use a service. For example, we have a lot of service. For example, let's search for chat service for websites. For example, here we have intercom. It's so famous one. Okay, here is intercom. How they put the chat of intercom in their website, like here. See, they put the intercom chat. How did they do that? They make an account. Intercom gives them an embed, so here it's linked with intercom, so they can chat. For example, now it's linked on their web page. For example, I can get help or support. Okay, so this is the first video of introduction of HTML, and I see you in the next episode.